Hello, folks. Thank you once again for joining me. I'm still talking about Azure Update Manager. I want to really the need and the importance of this particular tool is it cut across um, IT operation. Talks about cut across DevSecOps operation, cut across other functional unit, or let me say technical unit within the organization. And even compliance have a lot here, because some of the requirement of how we manage configuration management, how we manage patching and vulnerability, they tie down to this particular tooling and service. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is the because if you look at the banner here, it's like three. We've talked about how to do automatic update at scale. The other one I want to talk about is on-demand access and updates, and how to monitor and manage, our update, our patching and stuff like that. Now, when you come to this place and you click check updates, you will see that virtual machine that I included in that automatic update schedule is here. And if you look at it, it has like 3 pending updates. That shows that this machine needs to be updated, need to be patched. And if you click on that, you will see all these, all the names of the patching packages. You will see them. So if you come to the other side here, you will see that is under updates, under operation. So you can see that some of the settings we saw at the front page, at the landing page, is also available here. So we can see these updates. We can say, okay, we can say it should schedule update from here to just for this alone. We can do other things here, but I just want us to go back a bit, one step back, and 2 step back. So the update settings here, we can say, okay, we want to add a machine, like add another machine to this. You understand my point now? Okay, maybe we want to do this and say add. We can do that as well, and we can do that. So, but if we look at what we have here, we can see pending, like I said, pending updates. We can see history here. If there is any, you see, if there is anything that you have done, like an audit, you can see it here. You can see the maintenance configuration here. If you have any configuration that is done, you can go to monitoring here and see reports. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You can see that Azure, we only have one machine here. Azure Virtual Machine Windows. We don't have for Linux. We don't have for Arc enabled server. We only have Windows. And if you look at the compliance, when I was talking about compliance framework the last time, you see that here it says that this particular server is non-compliance. It's non-compliant because you can see it's red. A lot of update needs to be done to move this to a compliant state. So these are the things you can see. You can see, look at the report and other informations, like I help you to monitor and help you to get some more information on this particular service. So you can see how, in terms of compliance, GRC, in terms of cloud security posture management, in terms of infrastructure security, why Azure Update Manager is very, very important. Thank you.